Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video of learning Dart series, we are going to understand what is the difference between main method versus main method. Yes, it's very interesting. There are two types of main methods in Dart programming language. So we are going to understand the types of main methods in this video. So first one is normal, which we are using in previous videos also like this. And I do like this normal main function like this. It's a simple one, main, and we are just run it, dart, run, file name, and execute. Simple one, but this is the one version of main method which we are using in my previous videos also. But if you want to pass command line arguments in Dart programming language, so just comment this, and we have a different type of main method. Like if I type here main and press tab, so automatically this prototype version of main comes. In this we have args as a command line argument. This argument is of list type. Remember that you can assume that this is an array in which we have a command line arguments. So how we can use this? So I say print, I say main with command line arguments like this, and we can display these arguments. I say print and I say args like this if I print it. So to run this kind of program, we have to pass some command line arguments from the execution command prompt. So here I am passing, suppose I say Dr. Vipin, then I say classes, then I say Dart, then I say YouTube. So I'm passing these four command line parameters. If I press enter, and you see this is the output, main with command line arguments, and we are passing these four command line arguments to this main method. Remember that if individually you want to access, just you have to change it to like this by index. So I'm accessing here first, means Dr. Vipin will come. So press enter and you see output Dr. Vipin is coming here. So these are the command line arguments which you can get here. It is similar to just in Java. In Java we have a string of array objects. Here we have a list, similar type, because in Dart programming language we do not have array, we have a list. A list is just like a array, and you can say the more than array also. There are some extra features available in list as compared to array. And you can assume that in Java we have array and vector. So this list is the combination of both array and vector in Dart programming language. So here this args is a list object, and in this object we have number of argument which we are passing from the command line. It's a very important concept, because in professional programming we always use command line argument to change the output of our application. So if you want to use command line arguments in Dart programming language, then this normal declaration of main is not suitable. You have to use this main method. Remember that I am going to explain you here in this video. Now I think you understand what is the difference between main method versus main with command line arguments. If you like this video, if you got some knowledge from this video, please like this video, share to your friends, and subscribe my channel. At last, thank you for watching this video also.